here.
I will make a delicious pasta.
Pasta? Are you sure?
Kids, we are going out.
We will be back late. So I already made soup for dinner.
I don't like soup. Me neither. Let's cook dinner ourselves. How about pasta? Pasta? I'm craving pasta. Do you know how to cook pasta? Yeah, it's easy. I saw it in movies, but I've never actually made it before. Is that safe? Should we ask Mom first? No way! Let's make it a surprise! Chef Max is coming! First, we put the pan on the stove. Wait, do we use meat or chicken for pasta? Nancy, do you know? Meat or chicken? None of them. Oh, Nancy, that's not funny. I'm serious. Then I'm putting both in. And tomato sauce. I need to pour in a lot of tomato sauce. The more, the better. Yes, that's enough. It's time to add salt. It is too much. It doesn't matter. I will make a delicious pasta. Max, stop messing things up.
Messing things up? I'm a professional. I just have a small problem.
A small problem? Really?
I boiled the pasta, but I don't know why it got so mushy and sticky. Oh, Max, the way you don't care is driving me crazy. I did everything the right way. Ooh.
How did you boil it? I filled the pot with cold water, put the pasta in, and then turn on the stove. No, first boil the water. When it starts boiling, add the pasta. Oh, you did everything wrong. Let's clean this up first and start again. I am washing the pan and pots. I am cleaning the stains off the walls. I am mopping the floor.
Now everything is under control. Let's start. I found a recipe for pasta with tomato sauce. Let's prepare the ingredients first. What does recipe means? The recipe tells us what to do. What does ingredients mean? Ingredients are the things you put into the food. Ingredient for pasta. Pasta, onion, tomato, ground meat, cheese, basil, Parmesan, olive oil, tomato sauce, garlic.
How do we prepare the ingredients?
I peel the onion. Then I chop the onion.
I wash the basil and tomato. I get the ground meat from the freezer.
I crush the garlic.
I peel the tomato. Then I chop it. I grate the cheese.
First, I turn on the stove and pour a little olive oil into the pan. Now I add the chopped onion to the pan and fry it a little. Now I add the crushed garlic. What a wonderful smell. Then I add the ground meat and stir it. Now it's time for the tomato sauce. Finally, I add the spices, salt, black pepper, and thyme. At the end, I add grated cheese.
I put the water on the stove. When it starts boiling, I add the pasta. I cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I drain the pasta. Max, what's going on? I don't know. I cooked 5 packs of pasta because there are 5 of us for dinner.
1 pack was enough. Each pack is enough for 5 people.
I am sorry, I didn't know before. Okay, no problem.
Now I put the pasta on the plate. I pour the sauce over it. That looks great. I add a little Parmesan. And finally, I put a few basil leaves on top.
This is incredible! We made it! Here you go, the best pasta in the world. Enjoy! Woohoo!
Wow, what a surprise! I can't believe you actually cooked.
That's incredible, kids, but next time, please tell me first, because working with the stove and boiling water can be very dangerous.
What's this bag under the table? Is it from an Italian restaurant? Wait, what's happening here?
Okay, let's taste it and see how it is. Why does it taste sweet? One recipe said to add a little salt and a little sugar to balance the flavor in the tomato sauce. I think I accidentally added too much sugar. Oh, Max.
That's okay, kids. It looks like you learned a lot from this experience.
Did you enjoy the story? Did you learn new sentences? So like and subscribe to see more videos.